Hello and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon, and in today's video, we have a lot going on in our house. It is a cold, snowy morning here in Colorado. You can see the snow. It is just beautiful and white, and yeah, really pouring down. So we will be staying indoors, staying warm with lots of coffee and tea, and uh, part of that too, we will be doing a lot of cleaning, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along because we will be putting away our Christmas decorations from the last holiday. Our theme for last Christmas was white, gray, and silver decorations. And I just can't wait to bring back the orange because I just feel like my house looks very dull without bright colors, because that is what I love. So yeah, I will be bringing in the orange back. If you've ever seen my living room before, it is usually gray, white, and orange. So I will be bringing you guys along as we clean and as we decorate. Maya is fixing us breakfast over there. Maya, what did you make for us today? And bacon. Is everything ready? Almost. Okay, we're excited. Mikey is over there really just waiting on that bacon. Mikey, say hello. Okay, well, guys, I just want to shout out and say thank you to our new subscribers and supporting our channel. Please continue to share our videos. I hope it inspires you and you will continue to tune into our new videos. Please click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime that we have a video uploaded. I will see you guys in a few. We will finish breakfast and then get into redecorating. Hey, welcome back, guys. I just got out all my orange items from the storage. I realize I do have a lot. I don't think I'm going to be using all of them, so I will be selective as to what I'm going to be using. Of course, definitely, I'm going to be using my book, Africa. I love decorating with books. I love decorating with storage boxes. These two guys, actually not this one, but this one is actually a storage, but you can also sit on it. So my daughter loves to store whole, like most of our items in it. So yeah, I have a lot of orange, of course pillows as well, throw blankets. I have that right there. So I am going to be selective as to what I'm going to be decorating with. But also, I just want to flip and show you guys my before, which is just the gray and white living room. Again, I said, like, it just doesn't look like me at all, but we loved it during the Christmas season because, again, we just wanted to be festive, and we chose to go with just all neutral colors. If you know how I decorate, I always start with two neutral colors and then a pop of color, and my choice of bright color is orange. I could have gone with yellow. I think yellow can go well with what I have going on, like my seats are gray and all my other accents. I could have gone with maybe blue as well, but I chose to go with orange, and I've loved it. Orange is just such a bright and warm color that really very inviting. So we will show you guys the before, and then we'll come back for the final reveal. And then I'm gonna also leave you guys with 3 of my favorite tips when it comes to decorating. Okay, see you guys in a few. And finally, we are done, guys. I just lit up my candle. It's the white magnolia. Oh my gosh, smells so good. We have the fireplace going. So we are ready for this day to stay in. The house is clean. So I am going to give you guys the final um, view of everything. And then I'm going to tell you guys my 3 tips. Guys, so my number one tip when decorating your home is um, start with two neutral colors and then go with any of your choice of any bright colors, from the tacos, from the gold, orange, yellow, any of just the bright colors, so long as it complements your neutral colors. Number two is to be intentional when decorating. Not everything that is beautiful in the store belongs to your house. So make sure when you are buying your home decor stuff, be intentional and stay on your choice of color. Because, I've gone to people's houses where I just find like there is all kinds of color, nothing matches, nothing goes together. So make sure you're staying on colors that go together and stay focused on that. Don't sometimes you go to the store and you find all these shiny things, but they don't belong to your house unless they are within your color scheme. And then number three is let your home showcase your personality. I have friends that come to my house and they're like, oh my gosh, I want my house orange, or I want my house this color. So they're just copying what I have, but it doesn't really show what their personality is. So let your home showcase who you are. And until next time, guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining us. Please subscribe. Please share the video. Engage us in the comment section. Do you guys like the look of the neutral or with the additional orange colors? Let us know. And please look forward to our next video. And that video would be about decorating with plants. I have a lot of plants around my house and I enjoy them so much. I think it is a really, really great addition to any home decor. So until next time, guys, peace.